Hello everyone, myself Bhumit Sagatia from College Dunia. Today I am at LJ Institute of Engineering and Technology, which is located in Ahmedabad, Gujarat. Today we are having with Dr. Anil Kumar Suthar sir. Hello sir, welcome to our education portal College Dunia. Hello.
Hello.
So start with the questionnaire session sir. My first question is, you have held key position at Education Institute throughout your professional career. So what are the key factors that keep you connected with education sector?
From very beginning, I started my career from industry since 22 years back. After serving 2 years, I observed many things. In academic sector is always connected with each and every fields, sectors and domains. And also upcoming knowledge will be upgraded in education sectors. So that's why I choose this education sector. And from very beginning to till day I reached that position as a principal or director of that reputed institutes in Gujarat.
Very nicely explained, sir. So coming to the next question, how does the curriculum of LJ Institute of Engineering and Technology ensure the best practice of industry?
So right now we are affiliated with Gujarat Technological University. As per the curriculum, we had included like the frequently visit of various industries, call from the various experts from the different domain of the industries, also call them for evaluate our final year as well as the pre-final year students, their projects as well as seminars, and conduct various expert sessions for that. So by using this, we are always associated with the industry, and now upcoming years we move to the university, so we have all the freedoms for that. So we design our own curriculums, and our own curriculum is related to purely the industry oriented.
Very nicely explained about your college curriculum, sir. So coming to the next question, what do you think your roles and responsibility to the institute and the students are?
So basically our role as a leader as well as the institute head. So being an institute head, we are always cooperate to each and every year. For students' responsibility like that, they demonstrate academic integrity and honesty, attend, participate in classes, labs, and seminars, prepare and on time, complete their assignments in the timely manner, with attend the quality of work, avoid making excuse for their behaviors, communicate in careful, respectful manner with the faculties, all the other associated of entire institutes, also engage learners who are dedicated to sufficient time outside of class in the college work, act in civil manner that respect the college learning and social environment, and comply with the college policies outlined in the student constitutes of college catalog, utilize college resources and seek help when needed, respect diverse idea and opinion, identify, develop and implement the plan to achieve the students their education goals for that.
Very nicely explained, sir. So on that note, my next question is, what do you see as LJ Institute of Engineering and Technology's greatest strength?
So our LJIET greatest strength is basically our students, our faculty members, and our all the stakeholders as well as our all alumni and the various stakeholders, say from the industries, those who are associated with our institutes, and other government and non-government sectors are our greatest strengths, because they are directly and indirectly publicity of our entire institutes is the well-known institutes in entire region.
Very nicely explained, sir. So on that note, my next question is, what are some of the biggest challenges you see both for higher education in general and for our institute specifically?
So in general, say the biggest challenges in education sector is right now many students are not interested to study about their higher educations because of the many reasons are that. The one reason is that after getting the higher education, they are not achieving the very good job according to their expectation. Second is major youth are diverted to outside of the country. So these are the two major challenges, reasons for that. Second point is, in our institutes are right now we are feeling all the seats according to the entire Gujarat region, but in upcoming years it might be we suffer from that point. The main reason is upcoming new courses are introduced in the curriculums of surrounding places, and the students are diverted in various other domain sectors. So they are not taking the study in the higher educations. So, but according to our plan is that we also introduce our new various curriculums need based. So might be it is not difficult for us.
How do you tend to establish a healthy relation and environment in your institute?
So consideration about the healthy relation and environment with our institutes are the major concern person is our students. So we first know about the students' culture, interest, extracurricular activity, personalities, learning styles, goals, mindsets, and better we can reach about the internal of the students. So by knowing more about the educate students' culture, talk to them, attending their extracurricular events, and complete about the student interest. Also guide to them as a making a team building for each and every, and the same relevant to the environment also related to the environment things we can introduce in our internal practice. For that the student understand their realize about the environment, and related to that they can support to the entire systems.
Very nicely explained, sir. So jumping to the last question, any suggestions you would like to give to the current youth and the aspiring students?
So I humble request to the current youth for that, say the overall development, if you are in, just pause karo. I humble request to youth, higher education is not only for the study, it is overall development of your entire life as well as your city, states as well, and the country. Now right now the present scenario is government initiated lots of initiatives for a youth, especially for the startup fundings and incubation supports, Atmanirbhar, and various competitions organized for a general youth. So youth taking a benefit for this entire systems and taking a opportunity, grab their opportunities and take a Atmanirbhar and all the benefits taken as government for you. So I lastly the humble request for you taking all the government benefits and build the nation in the top ranking.
Very well said, sir. So, sir, thank you so much for giving such informative information about your institute, sir. Thank you, sir, for being a part of College Dunia. Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much.